In the beginning of the analysis, we asked the customer to step into the podoscope without shoes and socks and roll up their pants so that we can see their feet and ankles. We then explained that we start the analysis by checking their arch type. We can show the example image of a normal arch and how the green color under the foot looks with the normal arch type. The green color shows us how the customer's weight and pressure is deviating in the bottom of the foot. Take a look then to the screen and podoscope and analyze which of the example images is the closest to your customer's arch type. If you can't see the whole green color on the screen, please advise your customer to step back on the edge of the podoscope and slightly open their feet to get a more clear view. One of the fastest and easiest way of checking the arch position is to do it by manually testing the arch with your own hand. When your fingers go approximately halfway under the arch, you know the arch is pretty normal. If your fingers stop already earlier, the arch is low, or if your fingers go further, the arch is high. Before manual testing, make sure that your customer is comfortable with it. Remember that you can also look the arches visually as well. After analyzing, select the correct arch type in the software. Now it's time to explain what the selected arch type means and what is actually the whole meaning of our arch. The arch is our body's natural shock absorption mechanism. It is like a suspension of our body. I often make my customers visualize suspension in a car. So just in that same way, our foot arch is our body's natural suspension. This kind of example can make the functionality of the arch more understandable for your customer. So when our arch is normal, our suspension is working normally. When the arch is low, the impact from the ground comes too heavy to the body and can cause the first problems in our joints and muscles. If our arch is high, it often makes our foot rigid from inside, and again the suspension does not work. So both ways, low arch or high arch, the impact from the ground comes too hard, already in normal walking, but especially in running and in high impact sports.